So, a couple of fun facts. I received no royalties or any payment of any kind for all the posters, the billboards, the commercials. And when those photos were taken at the West Fresno campus, I was being paid 75% of the hour that I worked that day. Like, these things are important, right? We know that. You're hearing it, but you know it. I mean, we all know this. We're told constantly. Good evening, trustees, Dr. Goldsmith, college presidents, guests. My name is Seth Yates, chemistry faculty at Fresno City College. So I'm, like my colleagues, I'm here to talk about the lab LHE equivalency. I've spoken before on this topic. It's important to me, of course. It's important to me, to my colleagues. For the past 15 years that I've been here, this is my 16th year that was just started, this issue has been brought up actually every time that negotiations have started. Every time the union tells us this is on the docket of something they're going to discuss. And my colleagues who've been here longer than me tell me that it's 30 years or more that this issue has been brought up in negotiations. And I don't know the reasons why. I'm kind of, can imagine. But these have been ignored. There's been no interest in discussing this further. And the issue's been dropped relatively quickly over and over and over again. But it's not that it hasn't been brought up or it hasn't been asked. It's like, if this is the first time you're hearing about it over the last few board meetings, we know it's been 30 years. I've seen it for 15. I know it's been longer. You've heard it from the dinosaurs in the room. So we've heard all the stories, right? We've heard how hard we work in lab, how much prep and grading we do outside of lab. You've heard how valuable the time spent with our students is. It's the most valuable time by far that we spend with our students. So the question I ask is, what's not valuable about the time that we're spending in these courses? Why is this a less valuable time? Are these students, these are our future nurses, doctors, dental hygienists, pharmacists, engineers. We could add welders to the list. We could add so many things. Are these students less worth our time? Of course not. That's ridiculous. Is the time that the faculty are spending less worse than lecture time? No. Is it less work outside of lab time? No. It's more valuable time. So what is worth less about this time? Why? Why is this time that costs less or less valuable that should be paid less? Why? So it's time to make equitable changes to lab LHEs, making 1 hour equal to 1 hour. 1 hour of our time, 1 hour of lab time equal to 1 hour of everybody else's time.